repair attempt at 126 Sweetwater Lane in Newmanstown, PA. You can see this is the cracked one we're going to pull out. I just felt that crack as I put the nail in. You can see that cracked right there. It's very, very brittle. Just from putting the nails back in, you can see this one is cracked and broken. You can see right there's the fault point as well. This one has the same thing. You can see where it's cracked right here. The granulars are starting to come off. If I touch them with my finger, they come right off. And that's pretty much, they're cracked. Right here's another one. Here's another really big crack you can see. And that again is from us pulling them out and putting the new nails in, because you have to lift these just above a 45 and they're so brittle that they break.